Hello friends, welcome to the new video. In this video, I am going to discuss about the volume strength of hydrogen peroxide. So hydrogen peroxide is generally stored by dissolving in water, that means H2O2 in aqueous medium. And that means that in this, imagine this is a solution of H2O2. So in this, some amount of H2O2 is dissolved in water and this has a volume strength of 20 V. Volume strength is defined for H2O2 and that is given here for this solution is 20 V. Now let's come to the definition. Just for now, before that, understand simple thing that never pure form of H2O2 is stored because it can explode, and to avoid that H2O2 is dissolved in water and then it is stored by lining with wax. The container is lined with wax and some amount of urea may also be added to prevent the decomposition of H2O2. So when I say decomposition of H2O2, H2O2 has a tendency, because H2O2 even though it is in aqueous form has a tendency to decompose into H2O and O2 gas. So the definition of volume strength is, if 1 liter of H2O2 aqueous solution is taken, then the volume of O2 produced at STP will be known as volume strength. For example, if 1 liter of H2O2 here produces V liter of O2 at STP, then I will call that the volume strength of this solution will be simply V. Again, simply understand, 1 liter of H2O2 solution produces how many liter of O2 at STP will be the volume strength. For example, in this question or in this sample, the volume strength is 20 V, meaning 1 liter of this solution is of H2O2 hydrogen peroxide is going to produce 20 liter of O2 gas at STP, and that is the volume strength here. Now let's say we have 1 mole of this H2O2. So we can see according to mole analysis that H2O2, and here it is half. So 1 mole is going to produce half mole of O2, and half mole means 11.2 liter, because 1 mole of O2 gas will be 22.4 liter. So if the molarity of this solution I am taking as M, then I can say that this M molarity into volume V, which is 1, will be the moles, and this many moles are going to produce half into M moles of O2, and which is equal to 11.2 into M. And that simply gives us the relationship that volume strength is equal to 11.2 into molarity, and if let's say normality is given, then that will become volume strength is equal to 5.6 into normality. So if we can calculate the molarity from the volume strength, then from molarity we can calculate other concentration terms also. Let's quickly summarize it. 1 liter of H2O2 giving V liter of O2 at STP becomes volume strength V. So if 1 liter of H2O2 is going to produce 20 liter of O2, then the volume strength is 20 V. If 1 liter produces 11.2 liter of O2 at STP, then the volume strength will become 11.2, and so on. Let's understand the concept with one example. Question has given that the volume strength is 20 V. Do understand, volume strength is always given for H2O2. Question is asking molarity, normality, strength and percentage weight by volume. So we know that volume strength was equal to molarity into 11.2. Just now we discussed this. So the molarity will be volume strength divided by 11.2. The volume strength in the question is given as 20 divided by 11.2, and that comes out to be 1.785. Now, normality we have to calculate. So, normality is equal to molarity into valency factor, and the valency factor of H2O2 is 2. So, 1.785 into 2, and that will come out to be 3.57. Okay. Third part, strength in gram per liter. So in order to interconvert that, what we will say that if molarity is 1.785, so I can say 1.785 moles of H2O2 in 1 liter of solution is there. That is the definition of molarity, that moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. So if I want to find strength in gram per liter, so the definition of that is strength in gram per liter is weight of solute or mass of solute upon volume of solution in liter. So moles of solute we have already now calculated 1.785, and volume of molar mass of solute is H2O2, and for H2O2 the molar mass comes out to be 34. So multiply by 34 in 1 liter, and that will come out to be 60.71 gram per liter. Okay. And the last part of the question is saying calculate percentage weight by volume. So that is weight of solute upon volume of solution. A weight of solute should be in gram, volume of solution should be in milliliter, and multiplied by 100. So the weight of solute is how much? We have just now calculated 60.71 gram. Volume of solution is 1000 milliliter, multiplied by 100, 0 cancels out, so this comes, and that will be 6.71% weight by volume. That is how the question are to be solved in concentration term. Very simply understand that calculate the molarity, and from the molarity then you can calculate the other concentration terms. Molarity will be given by molarity into 11.2 is equal to volume strength. Using this we can calculate, and then molarity can be interconverted into other concentration terms. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have come this far, that means you have liked this video. Please share, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.